Hola mis amores, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a quick get ready with me. I have class in the next hour or so I have to get ready for classes. So, oh, and it's the last week of classes, so I'm so happy. School's over. So today's look is going to be very simple because I don't really like to do my face too much to go to classes. So yeah. So I'm going to go in with my Precise Brow Pencil from Benefit. I can barely talk when I do my brows. So I'll be right back. So much distance between us. Distance between our bodies. I don't like that sound. Do you guys hear that? I feel like you can hear that every time I edit. I hear it. It's my fridge making all that monstrous noise. Like, stop, shut up. So now that my eyebrows are done, eyebrows. Usually when I'm gonna do my makeup to go to class or just a simple look, or like an effortless look, I just go in with like some transition shade into the crease. So I'm gonna use my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm gonna dive into Raw Sienna and just apply it into my crease, just so my crease won't be that empty. But that's just about it for what I do to my eyes when I want to do my makeup to go to class or to work. Something simple, just to have something on my face and I don't want to go all out. This is usually what I go for. You can go ahead and blend it into the lid if you want as well, just to give a lid a little bit more color. And that is all that I do for eyeshadow. That's it. It's so simple. That's it. That didn't even work out the way I wanted to. Next, is this pelito about to fall? It's like holding on for dear life. Short hair sometimes kind of sucks, but I like my short hair. I like it. And then next, I just like to go in some mascara. I like to apply a lot of mascara since I'm not putting on some false lashes. And I like to go in with my Telescopic Carbon Black. This mascara, I feel like it's wand. It's so perfect. I feel like it gets into all the lashes and just like curls them the way that they should. And it's perfection. And I love this mascara. So much. So much. Okay, after I finish the eyes, maybe I can talk a little. Okay, let me shut up. Is that a booger? I got a booger. So I got up and I wanted to go disconnect the fridge because it was bothering me. Okay, anyways. Now that the eyes are done, we can just move on to the face. And I'm going to go with my Professional Pore Minimizer from Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm just going to go in and prime the face. Okay, so you guys want to hear about my day yesterday? Probably not, but I'm going to tell you guys anyways. So, yesterday, I played with a cat for the very first time, right? And the reason why it was the first time is because my family doesn't really have cats. I've never had friends who've invited me to their house who have cats. And I've never really had to play with a cat, right? So my friend Jenny Laweni, asked me to help her out with a project and to play with the cat so she could film it for her project. So I was like, sure, I don't care. I don't mind. Plays with cat. 30 minutes later, my eye gets swollen and I couldn't stop sneezing. Apparently, I'm allergic to cats. I told my friend that, oh, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. I told my friend that I think it's pretty cool now that I'm allergic to something, because before, I didn't think I was allergic to anything. Like, every time I would go to the doctor would ask me, hey, are you allergic to anything? I'd be like, no. And now I can be like, cats! Cats! Yes, cats. Kind of sucks though. But, I mean, it's not that bad, because it's not like anyone in my family have cats. My family's more like a dog person. So, I'll be fine. I'm done. Makeup done. Goes to class. Like this. To blend it out, I'm going to use my Morphe M439 brush. And just count it on my face. Put it on my face. I'm going to color it in. Okay. I don't know what to do with my hair. My hair is at that point where it's like, leave me alone. That's basically what my hair said this morning. That's why I look like this. What is that? I don't know. Now I'm interested to know what everyone else is allergic to. Why? Because I finally found out what I'm allergic to. Cats! Cat disaster. Oh my god. Anyways, next I'm going to go in with my Born This Way concealer from Toofaced Cosmetics. I'm just going to apply a little bit under the eyes. This is like nearly white on my skin tone. So I'm going to mix that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer that I used. And just apply some of that a little bit over just so it won't look so white and pale. They kind of mix perfectly together. They give me the right shade. And then I'm gonna go in with my booby blender, and blend it all out. Sometimes, every single time I do my makeup or film specifically, there's always so much background noise. It's either someone bouncing a ball, or somebody making noise, or students screaming. Because I live in a dorm, and I'm like in the center of the campus. But like, shut up. Seriously. Then this truck wanna come and bother. Go away. Okay, and to quickly set that, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and then I'm going to go in with a bigger brush and just set the entire face. I have two of these. I like to use my E3 brush for both setting the face and to like bronzing the face. Ooh. So this one specifically is for, I can tell the difference. This one is for the setting the face. How do I know? Because the other one's broken. So to bronze up the face, I'm going to go in with my Hoolah bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics and just apply that using the E2 brush from Morphe brushes. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with my Loreal Gilded Honey, and I'm going to be using my Morphe R31 brush and just applying that all over the face. Damn, that door slamming is Gotta go. Stop. Then what I like to do is I like to grab a smaller brush. This is the M508 brush. This is my favorite brush to apply highlight on my brow bone. Ooh, and I like to apply the same one that I use to highlight the face. And then put some in the inner corners of the eye. Just to make me look glowy. I was about to say doughy. Doughy. Glowy and dewy. Oh, that's why. Glowy. Glowy. The fuck? Glowy and dewy. Glowy. Es verdad que conmigo no se puede. And then I'm gonna go in and apply some mascara on the lower lashes. And that is it. Sometimes I wear lipstick, sometimes I don't. Depends how I'm feeling before I leave. So we'll find out in a couple of minutes. I don't know what to wear. I changed. You like? No? Cool. So my hair is still... See what I told you? Every time. So I don't know what to do with my hair. Do I leave it out? Do I do a bun? It's nice. It's not that bad. Yesterday it was giving me a hard time. So that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me. If you guys want to see more of these videos, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Bye.
Tell me, how did you get so cold?